Hello, everyone! If you're trying to decide between some of the most popular rods out there, like the Ugly Stik GX2, Cast King Para G2, Ugly Stik Elite, Shimano Teramar NE, or the St. Croix Triumph Travel, stick around, because I've tested these, and I've got some real talk for you. Let's kick it off with the Ugly Stik GX2. This rod is like a tank. It's not flashy, but if you're someone who just wants a rod that works and can take a serious beating, the GX2 is it. It's built with a mix of graphite and fiberglass, which means it's tough but not the most sensitive out there. Still, I love using this one when I'm fishing in rough spots or when I know I might toss my rod around a bit. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants that peace of mind. Drop it, bang it, whatever. It keeps going. That said, if you're into finesse fishing or looking for something featherlight, you might feel a little limited. Now, for those of you who care more about precision and feel, the Cast King Para G2 is honestly one of the best bang-for-your-buck rods out there. Super lightweight, really sensitive, I can feel every nibble. The twin-tip option is awesome. It's like getting two rods in one. I use the medium tip when I'm targeting bass or trout, and swap to medium-heavy when I need a little more muscle. It's definitely not built like the GX2 in terms of ruggedness, so I'm a bit more careful with it. But if you want sensitivity and versatility, especially on a budget, I'd go for the Para G. Moving up a notch, let's talk about the Ugly Stik Elite. This one's basically a leveled-up GX2. It's got more graphite, which makes it lighter and more sensitive, but it still holds on to that ugly stick toughness. I'd call it the sweet spot rod. If the GX2 is a hammer, the Elite is like a hammer with some finesse. It's great if you're not a complete beginner anymore and want a bit more responsiveness without sacrificing durability. Plus, the cork handle feels more premium in the hand. Now, if you're serious about saltwater fishing, the Shimano Teramar NE is a different beast entirely. It's made specifically for tough saltwater conditions. Striped bass, redfish, bluefish. This rod is made to handle big fights. It's got Shimano's T C4 construction, which keeps it light but crazy strong. I've taken it out in choppy offshore conditions, and it performs like a dream. Fuji guides, EVA grip, super solid build. But keep in mind, this one's more of an investment. It's not for casual pond fishing, and definitely not for beginners. If you're ready to step up and want something premium for the coast, this is the one. Last but not least, and one of my personal favorites for travel, is the St. Croix Triumph Travel Rod. If you're someone who's always on the go, whether it's flying out to remote lakes or hiking with your rod in your backpack, this thing is perfect. 4 pieces, fits in a hard travel case, but still performs like a one-piece rod. That's rare. The SCII Carbon Blank is super light and sensitive, perfect for bass, trout, pike. And the build quality is exactly what you'd expect from St. Croix. It's not cheap, but it feels like it's built to last a lifetime. Honestly, if I could only take one rod on a fly-in fishing trip, this would be it. My final take. Here's the bottom line. If you're just starting out or want something super tough, Ugly Stik GX2. If you want sensitivity and a rod that feels refined, Cast King Para G2. If you want a solid all-rounder with more performance than the GX2, Ugly Stik Elite. If you're targeting big saltwater fish, Shimano Teramar NE, hands down. If you're a traveler or backpack angler, St. Croix Triumph Travel. Worth every penny. Whatever you choose, make sure it fits your style, your waters, and your target species. No rod is perfect for everything, but the right one will feel like an extension of your hand out on the water. Tight lines, and I'll see you out there.